Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Oindrila and I am back with another skincare product review. In this video, we are going to be reviewing a product that is meant for those who have post-inflammation hyperpigmentations or who have acne scarring, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, or have freckle-like formations on their nose and their cheek area. So without further ado, let's begin the video. The product that I'm talking about is the Minimalist Tranexamic 3% plus HPA. The main active in this serum is tranexamide, and tranexamic acid is good to treat all the acne marks and scars and hyperpigmentation that you get post-acne breakout. If your skin is exposed to sunlight and you see you have uneven skin tone or hyperpigmentation, this helps with that as well. It has salicylic acid, which is again an excellent agent when it comes to controlling your oil secretion. However, this product is safe for all skin types. I'm going to give an in-detailed version of all the actives present in this and how they help your skin in the description below. But another agent that I really want to talk about is the HPA. Now, HPA is a exfoliant, so obviously it helps to exfoliate your skin, as a result of which I recommend to use sunscreen extensively while you are using this serum. It also has turmeric, which again has antibacterial properties, helps in the healing process, etc. Now let's come to the application. All you have to do is take one pump on each of your cheeks, gently in upward circular motion and in dab motion, applied over your cheeks and neck or on the affected areas, up to you. Use this in your PM routine. Start with twice a week. Results. Now, honestly, this product takes at least 6 to 8 weeks for the inflammations to actually lighten and you seeing difference. But my skin feels amazing after, I think, 4 uses. That is, after 4 consecutive PM routines, I see my skin actually feeling good, feeling better. Now, when I come to what I feel about this product, honestly, I love this product. I've been using it for year and a half, I think more. I don't really remember the timeline. I have seen its effects. I have seen my scars slowly get a little less dense. I have seen my pigmentation. This, along with niacinamide, is helping me, doing wonders. Honestly, I'm not exploring any other agent at the moment because I'm so in love with these two. It is easy to carry. It is I don't have any skin reaction, but again, please do a patch test. And the best thing about Minimalist, before I forget, is the fact that it is inexpensive. Like, I won't say super inexpensive, but it is not very expensive. I think it's $6.50 for a 30 ml bottle, and it goes for a very long time. Like, one bottle goes for approximately 3 months. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, flushes, loads of love. Bye.